The best vegan cheese.
It's like I'm naked. What?
Chicken sit. Vegan. So soft.
I don't care.
What? What is this?
What? Oh, what is going on?
Hello. I don't know how people do it, filming and talking to the camera while driving. I find it so distracting, so I'm not going to do it. I just left my hotel room where I was on a business trip, and yesterday my brother offered me to come at his house and chicken sit. Is that even a word? Like dog sitting, but with chicken. He's going camping and he just got some baby chicks and they are so cute. And he told me, you know, you won't have much to do. You won't even have to feed them. And I was like, so what do you want me to do then? And he said, well, just come play with them and maybe film a video. So that's what I'm doing. It's not even 8 in the morning right now, and I probably slept maybe 5 hours last night because I was so excited to come and play with the baby chicks. And also because I was up until just before midnight to finish a video and upload it. But it's alright because today is Saturday and it's a rest day. So I'm just going to enjoy my brother's house, the chicken, and the forest and just relax. My brother lives about an hour and a half from where my hotel was. And my favorite thing to do on longer drive like this one is to listen to podcasts. I'm currently listening to Hitting the Bars by 2 of my favorite YouTubers, Kelty and Savannah. They're just so fun and their energy is contagious and uplifting, and they always put me in a good mood. While I'm driving, I'm trying to think about what I could have for dinner tonight because I really don't want to go grocery shopping right now. And it's not as if I don't have anything to eat at all. When I'm staying in hotels, I don't like to eat restaurant foods all week. It's not the healthiest, so I would rather go in grocery stores and buy a few things. And this week I was lucky because I had a microwave in my room. That's why I had this idea to film a what I eat in a day when I have nothing at home. How gorgeous is this? But wait for the best part. They are so tiny. I let the chicken out.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Because they're used to getting out of their little house in the morning and they come back by themselves just before it gets dark at night, which is so cute. And I was kind of stressed at first because I thought I would need to watch them. But my brother told me that they just like to wander and roam around in the forest and looking at the grass for insects. And they seemed happy to be out, so I just let them do their thing. I'd like to put my stuff away, especially the food that goes in the fridge. And I would like to do some laundry because I probably won't have time tomorrow when I come back to my place. I don't have much, it's mostly my work clothes. All of this goes in the fridge. And this is mostly oatmeal stuff. And this is the rice I'm thinking of having maybe tonight with probably a sandwich with that bread or some bagel that I brought from the free breakfast this morning. I don't eat in the morning, but since I didn't know when or what I would be eating today, I stopped by the free continental breakfast this morning before checking out of my room. And I took 2 bananas, some jam to put on a bagel, and these cereals are to top my oatmeal with. And since I slept only 5 hours last night, I really need that. Laundry is done, my coffee is ready, and I thought I would go and enjoy it outside while journaling because I left the hotel very early and I didn't do anything. I didn't journal, I didn't do yoga, which was maybe my plan today. But it's just too hot outside and it's not even 10 o'clock. So I'm just going to go into my favorite couch here and journal. And I forgot that my sister-in-law, who is also my personal stylist, she's just the thrifting queen, and I keep telling her that she should turn it into a career. But I forgot that she told me she had things for me. And this is the bag. I can't wait to have a look at all of those treasures. Thank you, Mag. Who am I kidding? Did I really think that I could calmly journal for maybe half an hour while this bag full of surprises was waiting for me in the corner? I don't even know how to do this. The previous tenant who was there just before I moved in my apartment left stuff at the apartment and is not coming back to get it. So my landlord told me, well, why don't you keep at least the TV? I think it's a 32 inches LG TV, kind of a flat screen. Do I know anything about TV? But that TV was missing its cable. So I don't even know if it's working. Maybe that's the reason why he left it behind. But my brother happened to have this. So I will try it and decide if I keep it, because honestly, I don't really need a TV. I never watch TV, but the only reason I might keep it is to watch YouTube videos. So I will have to buy the adapter thing so I could use my phone and watch videos on TV. That's a cute swimsuit. Oh wow. Another swimsuit. Ooh, leggings. Wow, this is so soft. Wow, made in Canada. Yay. It's from the brand Tough Athletics. Wow, how cute is this? This is perfect for summer. It's so lightweight. Wow. Wow. These are stunning. Wow. And so soft. These seem to be warmer leggings, but wow. Ooh. What? This is from Alo Yoga, the brand that I keep seeing everywhere on Instagram, on the most famous yogis on there. What? Wow, this is unlike anything I have seen before. It's like they're leggings and then they turn into tights. What? And they seem so long. Wow. What? These are very light. I don't really wear this length of shorts or pants. What are they? Shorts or pants? If they fit me and I like them, I might cut them into shorter shorts. Oh wow. I'm totally not a pink girl, but I love a crop top. This is so soft. What is this? Abercrombie and Fitch. Oh wow. And there's even a pocket. It's so soft inside. Oh! And fitted jogging pants are my favorite. They're just so flattering and comfy. Wow. I told you she was the best stylist. That is so soft. Oh wow. I like that band here. It's very cute. Oh, and that's Lululemon? What? What? It is very buttery soft. I don't know if that's the material everybody seems to be raving about with Lululemon, but it's very soft. Thank you, Mike. I found these at Walmart and they are accidentally vegan, which is awesome. They are not the best, honestly, and I got them only because it said soft bake, and I always prefer chewy cookies. I'm kind of disappointed, but I guess they were kind of cheap. You can see it's just, they look weird. There's just not much to them really, but If you're ever craving vegan cookies, well, you can get them at Walmart. And I'm also having my multivitamin and my B12.
Okay, this is the perfect summer top because I can't feel it. It's like I'm naked. It's just so light and flowy and it's soft. I forget it's there. It's wow. But I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I'm wearing a tablecloth. I don't know how flattering it is, but honestly, I don't care. I couldn't care less about fashion. The clothes I wear are based on two things. Is it comfy and is it soft? That's all. Wow. Okay. What is going on? They're gone. It's not real. They're not there. No, they never were there. I just find it funny that it's one of those tops that you can easily just make them look good. If you're into that, which I'm not, as I said, I'm not a pink girl.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
But I like the holes here and just the way the back is made. I just find it very flattering. I don't really have anything like that, and I always see women wearing that kind of top, and I just find it so flattering and so cute. Wow. And these are the Lululemon. That band, it's just so unique. And I think it's very flattering with the V. There's also an inside pocket in the back, and they're very soft. I have no idea what they're called, if they're still on the website, if you can buy them or not, but I understand why everybody is obsessed with Lululemon and why they are so expensive. To me, they definitely feel too hot to work out in, but I feel like they would be good for yoga or going for a walk. These are small, but I feel like they're a bit big on me, so I'm wondering if maybe they are small in men, but they are so soft and I really like that they are fitted here. I find it more flattering and I just never want to take them off now. I'm not going to try on everything. These are just some of my favorite pieces that you will probably see in a lot of upcoming videos. Every time I come here, I just have to test my pull-up skills. Are you ready? I don't feel like doing yoga, but I don't want to go walk in the forest because of the mosquitoes and it's really too hot. So what I like to do on rest days, when I don't want to do some high intensity cardio workouts, I do my favorite walking workout. So this is a 30 minutes boosted walk and it's my favorite.
It's about 5 now and I'm starting to get hungry for dinner, and I have decided that I will have a sandwich with that bread that I found at Walmart. This is the kind of bread, sourdough bread, that I usually buy, but I don't remember the brand. It's an expensive brand, but it's worth it. It's really good. But when I saw that, I figured, you know, I might as well try it. I think it was maybe $2 less, and it's not as good, but it's a good alternative. And at the store, I didn't find any ripe avocado, so I decided to go with this one. It's really good. I only have, I think, 2 slices of vegan meat. This is the first time that I tried the mature cheddar style slices. I think Violife makes probably the best vegan cheese, and this one is very good. Baby arugula, of course. And this is some leftover rice from a pouch like this that I microwaved in my hotel room. And I'm not sure it will be enough, so I might do this one as well. Ta-da! Look at that mountain of chips. I really wanted to finish the bag because I opened it maybe 2 weeks ago. And I ended up turning my rice leftovers into kind of a simple salad with arugula and that avocado salsa. And I already know that this won't be enough food for me. So I'm thinking of having a Clif Bar as a dessert. And I also have my vegan cookies.